Hey everyone, and welcome back to another product review from the Nitecore store. My name is Michaela, and today we are going to go over the newest power bank from Nitecore, the Carbo 10000 Gen 2. With improved heat dispersion, a higher output, and a higher waterproof rating, the Carbo 10K Gen 2 takes everything you loved about the Carbo 10K and improves upon it. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get real-time notifications on all our new videos. We've got a lot to go over, so let's go ahead and jump on in. Small and lightweight, the Carbo 10K Gen 2 gives you power on the go, whether you need it for your next camping trip, a bike across the state, or just for your day-to-day commute. It comes in both orange and blue, so you can choose which of your favorites you'd like. I like that Nitecore is using more colors in their products. It's a nice change from what they've done in the past. It does come with one USB-C charging cable, so you won't have to worry about finding one that fits. The Carbo 10K Gen 2 has a 10,000 milliamp capacity and is operated by simply plugging in your electronic device. No need to press any buttons. It features two USB-C charging ports, a welcome change from the Carbo 10K Gen 1's USB-A and USB-C ports. One of these ports supports both input to recharge and output to power your device, and one that just outputs power. The Carbo 10K Gen 2 has a maximum output of 30 watts while charging one device, easily making it our fastest charging power bank and stepping up its game from the Gen 1's 20 watt max output. This is reduced to a maximum output of 15 watts while charging two devices at once. When it comes to recharging, the Carbo 10K Gen 2 has a maximum input of 30 watts and can easily be recharged from empty to full in no time. It also supports pass-through charging, so if both your phone and your power bank are low, you can charge both devices at the same time. Talk about efficiency. To keep track of how much power you have left, there are 4 battery indicator lights located on the tail end. You will see 4 lights when the battery level is over 75%, 3 solid lights when the battery is between 75 and 50%, 2 solid lights when the battery is between 50% and 25%, 1 solid light when the battery is between 25 and 3%, and a single flashing light when the battery is below 3% and needs to be recharged. Like many of our other power banks, the Carbo 10K Gen 2 features an embedded microcontroller unit, or MCU. This offers a number of benefits to help preserve the life of your power bank, including protection against overcharging, which will shorten the life of your power bank, as well as protection against over-discharging and short-circuiting, which can damage the battery in both your device and your power bank, causing both of them to catch fire. The Carbo 10K Gen 2 stands out above the rest, not just in power, but in design as well. Staying true to the Carbo line, the Carbo 10K Gen 2 also features a completely encapsulated unibody carbon fiber shell. But with the Gen 2, it disrupts the monotony with its magnesium alloy honeycomb heat sinks. These not only elevate its design, but also help disperse heat, making it resistant to overheating and helping to protect the interior components. The heat sinks are new to the Carbo 10K Gen 2 and come in both neon orange and ice blue, so you can choose the color that speaks to you. Its shape is also unique. It has a thinner and taller shape than the others, making it stand out from the rest of the other power banks. Despite its length, it's actually a little bit smaller than the Gen 1, measuring in at 4.89 inches by 1.89 inches by 0.62 inches versus the Gen 1's 4.88 inches by 2.32 inches by 0.45 inches. It is a little on the heavier side, weighing 6 ounces, but to me, that just adds to how sturdy it feels. With other power banks, it might be hard to distinguish which one is which because looks-wise, they might look almost identical to each other. That won't happen with the Carbo 10K Gen 2. The Carbo 10K Gen 2 also stands above the rest with its superior waterproof rating. Coming in with an IPX8 waterproof rating, it can handle any wetland environment. Swamps, rainforests, the East Coast, you name it. It's submersible up to 2 meters, so if you happen to accidentally drop it in a pool or in a stream, there's no need to stress. It'll still work just fine. Despite its waterproofing, it's not rated for dust ingress, so be careful when you're in a dusty environment. Personally, I really like the Carbo 10K Gen 2. It's an upgrade from the Gen 1 in almost every way. I low-key love to hoard power banks, so I can hand them out like candy to my friends when they need them, and the Carbo 10K Gen 2 will be a fine addition to my collection. It's easily the fastest charging power bank we offer, charging your phones and other devices with lightning fast speeds. I also love how waterproof it is. I don't have to worry if I accidentally drop it in a puddle or if a bottle of water leaks in my bag. I also love the addition of the honeycomb heat sinks. They do a great job of making it stand out while also keeping my hands safe from an overheating power bank. It's the perfect heavy-duty upgrade to an already heavy-duty power bank. But enough about me, what are your thoughts on the Carbo 10K Gen 2? The perfect upgrade, or maybe something you'll pass on? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the know, and we will see you next time.